Imagine being up 9% and not locking in profits. Well, that's what happened with the Nvidia stock and Nvidia investors if they didn't lock in profits. So check this out. Nvidia went from being up 9% after market hours. You guys could see this right on over here. It reported earnings yesterday, and rightfully so. Nvidia had amazing earnings. They beat expectation for both earnings per share and for revenue. It gapped up to $519.11 today. Went from 9% in the green all the way back down to $480 a share. And it's still selling off. And guess who shorted it today? Right here, right? It was all caught within our live trading session with the LPP team. So if you're part of the LPP team, feel free to check out today's live stream. It was within the first 15 minutes of the market open that I caught the majority of the sell-off. And boy, was it good. If you want to see how much money I made, I just shared it on my Instagram account, and it's the third link in the description down below. Make sure you follow. But with that being said, lower lows, lower highs. It looks like the market is still weak. The NASDAQ market is not doing any better. Look at all of this selling pressure. The bears are to claim it back. The market has pretty much given back everything that it gained yesterday, right? Yesterday was a spectacular day for the overall NASDAQ market, but guess what? The bear market's not over, right? The bear session is not over. We have seen consistent signs of lower lows and lower highs, and it looks like based off of what is happening today is getting us really well prepared for tomorrow's Jackson Hole meeting. For those that are unaware, Jerome Powell, who is the head of the Federal Reserve, will be speaking during a conference in Wyoming. And this is going to be at 10:05 in the morning, which is 35 minutes after the market opens. I will be live streaming it for free on this YouTube channel. So just another reason to subscribe. But one thing that I do want to share with you is how significant this move is for the bears, but also why maybe the bears should be very careful, especially with some volatility that might present itself right before the Jackson Hole meeting. So the NASDAQ market is up, what is it? It's down 1.18%. SQQQ goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. So it doesn't look like a crazy day, right? 3.75, like what is that? It's not a crazy day. But we have to give credit where it's due. It was down to $18 a share, $18.22, and right now it's trading at $19.75. That is an 8.5% move, and this is the thing that I shared with our LPP traders and what I just shared with them right now before this video, before I started filming this video, and it's how overbought now is SQQQ and how oversold is QQQ, right? So now it kind of brings up the question of like, well, how much more can the market sell off before it begins to actually recover? And that's what I'm preparing for right now. It's pretty early within the day, right? It's been 2 hours since market has opened. We have a lot more time. And again, what is going to get factored in from the Jackson Hole meeting, it's not guaranteed that the market has to recover, but based off of that aggressive sell-off, it's something that I'm staying patient for. I set my alert right on over here. If we continue to sell off, I'm just going to continue to short the market. But I wanted to do it in front of you guys. If we actually begin to show signs of higher highs and higher lows above the EMA on QQQ, then maybe we can begin to go long, right? And it's only right. Only the people that freak out when the market sells off are those that did not prepare. So I can guarantee you that there's going to be people complaining in the comment section, and it's just because they're bag holding, right? They didn't understand the importance of locking in profits. They got very hopeful, and guess what? They paid the price today. Nothing is guaranteed in this market, and you are remembered every single day. So I set my alert for the break above. I set my alert for the break below. Yes, we are oversold, but the cheap can always get cheaper. But of course, great upside potential, especially right before the Jackson Hole meeting. Will the market continue to sell off, or will the market begin to recover? Who cares, right? Set your alerts instead of trying to predict always. Let's just take time to prepare, right? So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, if you guys want to check out how much money I made shorting Nvidia, I traded Nvidia with $175,000. I was shorting it with $175,000, and it was a pretty significant move. I had a lot of fun with it. And if you want to check that out, again, make sure you guys check out my Instagram, which is the third link in the description down below. I'll see you tomorrow for the Jackson Hole meeting. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. But if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow when the market opens, that is exclusive for the LPP team, and that is the second link in the description down below if you want to learn more about it. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.